Before we take a plunge, I want you to look at this painting, The Treachery of Images, which is on display at the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. It shows a pipe, and below it you see the words "Ceci n'est pas une pipe," which translates to "This is not a pipe." I want to briefly talk about the famous Belgian artist René Francois Magritte, who, by the way, was as much a postmodern philosopher as that of a surrealist painter. It needs to be told that he worked in advertising as a young man and understood the communicative instincts and imperatives of graphic design. Now, I do not want you to look into the painting, I just want you to look at the painting. We are presented with a Platonic image of a pipe, laid out like a page from a botanical textbook, with a sentence scrawled in its schoolboy cursive that says, "This is not a pipe." Throwing a monkey wrench, Magritte reminds us that this is a painting of a pipe. It is not the actual smoking pipe. It seems Magritte confronts those who want to seek meaning. Representations do not merely resemble what is real. Is artifice the art of art or reality? What if someone showed you this? You would say it's a banana, right? What about this? This is a boy. This is a bicycle. This is a ball. This is a bulb. This is a bus. This is a pipe. The serendipity of language is not serendipity at all. Human beings suppose that language and reality as an organic relationship, that names of things arose from those things themselves. That Barack Obama is in fact Barack Obama, and a pipe is a pipe. But Magritte does not title his painting The Pipe, for he knows it would be a quotidian declaration of the obvious, straight off a discount tobacco store. Without words, the painting would not be definitely interesting. It is that dialectical relationship between the visual and the verbal that challenges our preconditioned perceptions of reality and truth. The secretive dependence on the semantic and the spatial is laid bare with an image that denies the sentence and a sentence that denies the image. But why should we connect them? Why should the sentence and the image refer to one another? How do we know "ceci," which means this, points upward to the picture? Of course, we do not know. But the pronoun, the resemblance, and the name all make that nexus inevitable. And it is that inevitability that made real in every aspect of our lives. It is that inevitability which makes us imperturbable that everything we see could be said, and everything we say could be seen. There is no meaning in anything, because in this painting there is nothing but clarity. Ceci n'est pas une pipe. This is not a pipe. This denies even an object truly exists. Magritte makes this point using the false premise of resemblance and shatters them from within. It's a contradiction that implodes the meta-message conveyed by paralanguage. Implodes so much that you can say that this is not a video presentation. This is only a computer screen.